Hi world, welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Phase. And for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today we are doing a really intense, like super sexy, turning it up Valentine's look, because who knows what your plans are going to be, but it's always good to have wonderful ideas. And I thought I would do something that's a little bit more turned up. It's very alluring. Like, I mean, I am super obsessed. Like, I love really like slight tinted, dark smokiness with like a little like color in it. So I really want to do something again just to kind of dial it up a little less soft, a little bit more dangerous, really just making these eyes pop. And yeah, this is what I came up with. Um, so again, like, we never know what our plans are going to be, but there's no reason to have wonderful inspiration, whether it's just for you or for your partner or whatever. Like, you can kill it however you want to do it. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and sharing is caring. I appreciate it. So now let's go. Okay, babes, so we're done. What do we think? She is all kinds of sexy. Like, I just love the way it brings out my eyes. Like, I was so excited. So when I had gotten this dress, I was like, ooh, I cannot wait to do like a really great look with it. It's such a great, like, deep, like olive green. So I wanted something that was going to match that, like match how I just kind of felt about like everything. And then I was like, well, why not turn it into like a Valentine's look? Like, if I wanted something that was going to be like super turned up, super just like, hey, come talk to me, this would be the look. No, this was a really great look, and again, you can customize it to how you like. So if you want to soften it a little bit more, you can do that. If you want to add a little bit of black eyeliner, you can definitely do that as well. I definitely didn't want to just do too much. I really wanted to embrace the color of like the green that's in here, and just kind of like go with that. So I really just, I am like super, I can't like stop staring. So in love with this. This is like so intense and it's just like perfect. So if you want a great way to like make your eyes just like this is going to be a great start to that. And again, I paired it with a light lip because the eyes are so intense, but I mean, it's really up to you. Definitely want to go something maybe a little orangey. That would be a nice little turn up so it's not too much. I have nothing but positive things to say about this look. I think it's really achieves what I wanted to, and it really has this like sexiness. It has this like bad girl, but like a girl like who's in charge and like confident and sure of herself. So this is what we do. Like, we're going out there to slay. Yeah. So not to take any more of your time, thank you so much for watching. And no matter what your situation is, you are killing it, you are amazing, and have an amazing Valentine's Day, however you decide to celebrate it. All right, my loves, bye.